Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is a new smartwatch. This is a pretty nice smartwatch from Xiaomi. It's like the most beautiful smartwatch I've ever seen. Well, I will just leave you with the review, and it's the Mi Band 3. Stay with me. Hello guys, it was a crazy intro there, but let's just not wait more time and crack this box open. Only the Mi logo on the sides, some Chinese writing on the back, and the Mi Band. I have to tell you, I've opened it before and maybe things are messy inside, so let's not be surprised. The Mi Band, it's on. The manual. The charger, simple charger, USB charger, the band, and I guess this is used to close this. Let's put these things aside and take this. It's a very small gadget, but it is really amazing. We will discover some of its features right now. Here it is. It's in. So let's pair it to the phone and check what can it do. So guys, here is the smartwatch, and let's check all its functionalities one by one, so we can get a better look at this crazy smartwatch. Let's go. There is the time and date. We go up, there is the state, the steps, the distance, the burnt calories, the battery percentage, and that's all. We go up again, there is the heart rate, which you can measure by keeping your finger on this one, and then you will start calculating your heart rate. This is not right. And we still can go up. There is the weather. We go up. There is the exercise section. The notifications which you have on your phone. There is the more section, notification. No. There is the more section with the time, the silent mode, and the find device, which it will start ringing. Okay. The find device, the screen, and then the about section. That's all. Now we will check the app, which is really nice. There is the general look about your steps, the distance, and the calories burnt. There is the sleep monitor, which will tell you about your last sleep and your data about your previous days sleeping and everything, and how much at which time you wake up and which time you sleep, and is it good, is it bad, and lots of good stuff that are really nice for your sleep. And then there is the workout section, which is also really nice, which will record everything about your workout. Let's check this one. For example, I am in Morocco, and for example, I've gone this distance, and it's like 2.19 kilometers. I will show when I parkoured the first 1 kilometer and then the second kilometer. There is the details section, which is really amazing, and there is everything about the workout, like the time used, the pause time, the maximum heart rate, the average heart rate, and also more information about your workout. Going even further, there is the charts about your workout, the pace, the heart rate, the altitude, yeah, There is the step frequency and the stride. Everything in details with time and everything. It's just so amazing to have all this stuff in just one place so that you can get healthy, and it will even make you go work out even if you don't want to. Here is the heart rate records, and then there is the weight, the streak. In the profile section you can see the battery percentage, like last charged is 16 days ago. It's just wow. There is the unlock screen feature using the smart lock. Whenever you are close to the smartwatch, it will open itself by itself. The incoming calls, the smartwatch will vibrate whenever you get incoming calls. The event reminder, the alarm, the app alerts, the idle alerts, the incoming SMS, goal notifications, every single thing. We can look for it by this, which will make it vibrate, a hard vibration. Discover band location is it on the left or the right wrist. There is the heart rate detection. When you want the heart rate detection to start, is it when you are sleeping, or like you want it to be automatic or whatever? We will see. Automatic heart rate detection, the sleep assistant, or automatic heart rate detection and sleep assistant. We go even furthermore to see the night mode, the band screen lock, the display settings, and the weather settings. You can configure every single thing on this smartwatch to make it suit your needs and to make it the better for you and for your workout, for your sleep, and for your health. You can swipe down to sync data. It's already calculating my heart rate, but there is no wrist right now, so that it can get accurate data, but it's working perfectly on other bases. Like whenever you try to work out or exercise, it just gets you the right info, the right statistics about your health, about your sleep, about everything. So this one is almost $25 on GearBest. You can find better prices somewhere else, but it's a really nice gadget. It's from Xiaomi, so it's really good. That's it. See you guys in the next one, and if you didn't subscribe yet, do it. Goodbye.